Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to log in your Temu account. If you want to log into your Temu account, then first of all, make sure that Temu application is installed in your device. Now, open the Temu application and hit on the U icon which is on the button of your page. From there, on the top, you will see sign in slash register option. Simply hit on that. Now, you can also continue with Apple. If you want to continue with Apple, then simply hit on the continue with Apple, or you can also continue with your Google, Facebook, or you can also use your email address and phone number. Simply add your email address or phone number and hit on the continue, and then add your password, and then you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.